Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Samsung's latest clamshell foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. This is the 7th generation of the Flip, and for the first time in a while, it feels like Samsung is making bold moves. We have got a bigger screen, a bigger battery, a better cover display, and a surprising chip change. So in this video, we'll cover all the notable upgrades, the one questionable downgrade, and why this flip might be the best version yet, or the one you wait to escape. Let's jump in. Let's talk screen. The inner display has gone from 6.7 inches to 6.9 inches diagonally. It's subtle on paper, but in the hand it makes a big difference. Apps feel roomier, typing is easier, watching videos, doom scrolling TikTok, it feels more immersive. This also means the aspect ratio has shifted just a bit, so it feels slightly taller, which again helps when you are multitasking or browsing. And of course, it's still 120Hz AMOLED, bright, sharp and vibrant. Samsung continues to lead the pack when it comes to foldable displays. So, where does the Flip 7 stand? If you are coming from Flip 5 or 6, the main differences are bigger screen, way more usable cover display, bigger battery, slightly better efficiency. If you have never tried a foldable, this is easily the best Flip Samsung has made and probably the most practical foldable for mainstream users. It gives you flagship power, flexible design and real everyday usability without feeling like a science project. That said, if you want the absolute best performance and cameras, the Fold 7 is still king. But if you value portability, practicality and fun, the Flip 7 is the move. Alright, that's everything on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. What do you think of the upgrades? Are you okay with the Exynos chip or are you holding out for Snapdragon only versions? Let's talk in the comments, and if you are new here, hit the like, subscribe and bell icon so you don't miss future foldable reviews and comparisons. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.